for coins, shiny and new. D for diamond, sparkle for you. E for eggs, round and white. F for fan, spin left and right. G for gold's yellow so bright. H for horses, gallop with might. I for ice cubes, freezing cold. J for jugs, water they hold. K for kitten, soft and small. L for lollipops, the sweetest of all. N for mangoes, juicy delight. N for noses, help us smell right. O for ostrich, run so fast. P for pens, for writing that last. Q for quails, tiny and quick. R for roses, choose one to pick. S for star, shining so bright. T for tigers with powerful might. U for umbrellas, keep us dry. V for vans, driving by. W for watermelons, big and sweet. X for Christmas trees, a holiday treat. Y for yaks, furry and strong. Z for zeros, count them all along. One is singular, more is plural too. Now we know them all from A to Z. Woohoo! One is singular, more is plural too. Now we know them all from A to Z. Woohoo!
For avocado, B for blueberry. C for cherry. D for dragon fruit. E for elderberry. F for fig. G for grapes. H for honeydew. I for llama. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for quince. R for raspberry. S for strawberry. T for tamarillo. U for ugly fruit. V for vanilla bean. W for waxberry. X for zebra. Y for yellow passion fruit. Z for zucchini.
Dear little ones, like, share, subscribe our channel Razzle Dazzle for more interesting, unique and educational videos. Thank you for watching. Take care, dear little ones. Bye. Love you all.